love me. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Joystick Jiggy here, back with another video. And today, we're going to be playing a new game called Wardwell House. So, this is a horror game, basically, as you can tell. So, we're going to start a new game. And let's see what happens. So, yeah. My friend, Nick HC, he's making a video on this game as well. So, yeah. Okay, here we go. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but there's like footsteps in the woods. Hang on, let me close this. I've been lost on the... Wait, what? I've been lost on the water for countless days. I'm dehydrated, starved, exhausted, and I think I'm losing it. The water's not shallow enough for me to... Okay then. Whoa, this is cool actually. Look around by holding left mouse. Okay. And moving around. Zoom in or out by clicking. Read all hotspots and then zoom into arrow. Proceed. Can I change? What's rotation smoothness? I don't know. But there's stuff here. Can I go to it? I'm so confused. What do I do? Oh, okay, I found out. There's no way this is getting fixed without tools and materials. And not even then. Wasn't there another thing out there? Yeah, like right there. Swimming downstream is dangerous and requires too much energy. I should follow a path through the forest. Maybe I can find something to fix my boat. Okay. So, is there any dots down the path? Like... Jesus Christ, this is like a puzzle game. Where do I go? Oh, I'm dumb. Okay, let's go. Alright, that's cool. A strange landmark. Hopefully. I don't know why that's hopefully. But alright. I thought I heard footsteps from back there. But it was probably just my imagination. Ooh, spooky. It's probably your own, dude. Like, what are you so scared of? That's a thing. Dead, decaying trees everywhere. This island doesn't look like the most habitable of places. Oh, there's another one of these. Another one with barbed wire around it. Is it some sort of animal trap? Didn't you just say this island is uninhabitable? What is that? Why would someone hang a creepy looking black cloth like that? Bizarre. Oh, another one of these. More than one cross in the ground usually means a cemetery or burial grounds. That's scary. Oh. Names and other markings. Too weathered to make out. I remember doing carvings like this with my son on his favorite tree back at home. Yeah, well, buddy, at this rate, I don't think you're going back home. So, I don't think you're going anywhere. What? Is that a foot? Not sure what creature's leg that is. It looks like there are predators about. I need to find shelter before it gets dark. That's a damn foot, man. That's a foot. That is a foot. Hang on. That is a foot. What do you mean? Is that it? What? Now there's a skull? My god, a human skull. It looks aged and decrepit. Is this from some sort of shadow? What is happening to my voice? Is this from some sort of shallow grave? Probably. That's why there's a foot in the head. What? A noose tied to a glistening steel chain. It looks fresh, like it's recently been placed. I'm blind. I thought that was a horse saddle. There's another one of those things. Demons. Okay. Alright. There's more than... This hasn't been here long. Whoever left it is likely still around. And iron shackles crusted with what can only be blood. I should stay calm. My exhaustion is making me imagine frightening scenarios. I don't think it's your imagination. Finally, some life on this island. I'm so hungry. I wouldn't mind joining them in their little feast. What is that? I don't even know what that is, but... Whatever it is, my guy wants to eat it. Is that the only dot? No, there's another one. Dried blood coats the hook. I would have assumed that these were being used by hunters, but after all the evidence I've seen, I begin to think otherwise. Yeah, bud, now you can see what I'm saying. I don't think you're making it home. Wait, is there another dot? Because I can't leave. On the floor? There's that one. There's that one. What else? I'm very confused right now. Is there like something on the floor? Oh, there is. All the guts are still inside. Someone or something skinned the poor thing alive. Who would do such a thing? What even is that? Looks like just somebody just took a dump inside a Tyrannosaurus Rex. I mean, another demon. Wait, what? I thought that was a person, but it's just another black cloth. I have a bad feeling that I'm being watched or followed. I think you are, buddy. What is that? A dead crow? That is not a crow. How is... That's a head, that's a body, and that's a toe. That's a crow. Oh, that's the crow right there. I thought those were his feet. Wings have been torn off. I can't find some others. Wait, what? A dead crow whose wings have been torn off. If I can't find some other's meal, I'll come back and cook this beggars. Wait, what? Beggars can't be choosers. Beggars. Alright, so that was the only ones. Dude, I thought that was a thing too. That was scary. Ooh, there's water. Let me follow this stream and see where it leads me to. At least I'll have something to guide me along. Is that a... Oh my god, that's a hand. Where the hell have I come? That's a human hand with flesh still on the bone. And these remains are fresh. Dude, there's a damn hand. So, Nick already has made his video, and Jesus Christ, those things scare me every time. I'm sure this black cloth means as a Wait, what? I'm sure this black cloth is meant as a forbidding message, but I should press on. I'm dying of hunger. No, you're dying because you're on this damn island. Maybe I could build a raft using some of these broken tree branches after I get energy. And this hook looks used, like it's been here for a while. Small chunks of rotten flesh still remain on it. I'd have been completely crazy to eat that, though I'm not too far on the line from thinking that right now. Why are you... Just eat the hand. It's just a hand. Jesus, dude. I hear the bells again. This particular black cloth looks like a praying witch. Maybe I'm hallucinating, but it appeared to move. This is a beat, dude. This bops. Is there gonna be a horse? I wanna see a horse. Dude, why is there like a whole damn beat going on? Did somebody else receive an abrupt, violent end here? Or has my delirium gotten the best of me? A man-made path in the middle of the forest. I finally might be nearing civilization. I might be nearing the end of my suffering. Why'd the beat stop? Each time I see these, I get a strange feeling that these were once people. Probably were. I have a feeling one of these times I'm just gonna go and there's gonna be something that jump scares me. Yellow? Where's the yellow dots? That's kinda scary, dude. Why was there no dots? Oh, we're on chapter 2. Wardwell house. A path has led me to a clearing and I've arrived at an old, dilapidated house. At last, I have found sanctuary. I would not go in there, bud. You might die. Alright, well, I'm going to end this episode here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see all you dudes in the next video! And peace.